So we're here at Farm Stand with Bets. She runs Farm Stand. They have a very nice little store here, and she has recently started using the app to purchase products from Azure more easily.
Ordering just by sight off the shelf has tended to be kind of a problem because there are so many different products even inside of brands that makes this ordering really easy, besides the time consuming side of searching for things by hand and then selecting them and adding them to your cart and then starting over. Right now I have a Bluetooth scanner that is linked to an iPad, and so I can just walk around the store, and you just have to make sure the cursor is inside the product search bar, and I would just grab a product from Azure, scan it, and it pops it right up and I add it to my cart. If I'm completely out of the product, I would just scan my my shelf tag, and it works just the same. And it's really easy to put together orders on the go this way. That has kind of revolutionized our ordering systems. I also have a plugged-in scanner that is linked to my PC, which is a bit of a more of a desk setup. Or also, if you have the barcodes in your system, which I do, I just put it directly. I just copy paste the product barcode directly into Azure's search bar, and it accomplishes the same thing if you aren't linked up with barcode scanners.